Hi everybody and welcome back to my basement once again. Today I'm gonna show you the best way to make Reels and TikToks using your drone, your GoPro and Reelsteady in vertical mode. And yes, because usually what you do is you shoot a 16:9 video with Hero 9 and 10, you start from 5.1K or maybe 4K, then you stabilize and you crop in a little bit. And of course it's stabilized, but you lost a little bit of resolution. And then what you do is you do 9:16 and then you select 1/3 of the image. And if you shot at 4K, it's nice, but maybe you want to shoot slow-mo. And then you go to 2.7K, 1080p, and it's not enough. So today I'm gonna show you a way to retain all quality with your GoPro, simply putting it vertically, like this. And it's not that bad, basically. I just printed a mount right here. But before I show you how to do everything, please remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video, help me grow this channel. And also in the description below you will find the coupon code 5% off Reelsteady, Rimzler 5, very easy. And the Thingiverse link to download the 3D printed low center of gravity Hero 9 and 10 mount. And this is the start of the show. This is the mount I designed. It's low center of gravity, as you can see, so the drone flies a little bit better. The glass and the optics is at the bottom, so it's not super top heavy. Standard GoPro mount, support for ND filter, because it has extra room here, so you can slot them in. And also it has a screen cover, and you don't risk damaging your screen when you crash. I mean, the top is not super covered, but who cares? It's aluminum. And it slots in place using GoPro notch here, so it doesn't slide out. And I'm gonna quickly show you how to print this mount. It's very easy. Print it in TPU so it's flexible, and you wanna place it on the bed like this. So you have the opening here, you don't need support for that. The only thing you need support for is the mount back here. And of course, print it at 100% in fill. And that's it. It takes shy of 3 hours at 40 mm per second. It's not bad. It's light, it's 15 grams, I believe. And now let's talk about how to stabilize vertical videos with Reelsteady. If you try stock, it will make a mess, cause you will see like 3 different videos, pixelated, stretched. It's crazy how bad it is. And that's because GoPro, when you put it vertically in stock, records a 9:16 video, which is not compatible yet with Reelsteady. Reelsteady needs a 16:9 or better yet a 4/3 video. So in the GoPro you have the setting to disable vertical video and only lock it to landscape, and that's exactly what we need to shoot vertically. And then after you've done this, basically you're shooting a landscape video but rotated 90 degrees, and Reelsteady will treat it like a normal landscape video, and you will see everything like flipped. And you stabilize it, and then in post you just flip it 90 degrees and you select 9:16 aspect ratio, and then you have retained all the resolution of that video, which is amazing, and that's exactly what we want to shoot better Reels and TikToks. There is one thing that doesn't work in Reelsteady in vertical mode, and that's horizon lock. Basically, normally you tilt the camera and the video tilts with it. With horizon lock, it keeps it stable even if the camera is rotating. You end up with a 16:9 video and you end up back at 16:9. It's very cropped in because of course it's taking the stabilization from the vertical axis. I don't know, don't use horizon lock. Still, many people don't use horizon lock, and it's the beauty of FPV. If you do flips and rolls, you wanna show them, of course. So it's not a super big deal. And lastly, who is this for? Because sure, it's a lot of work to go through to shoot vertical videos, and there are much better ways, like the Insta360 Go 2 or the I don't have DJI Action 2 are way better on paper. I mean, these two cameras shoot square videos, and then later in post you can choose to crop them to 16:9, 9:16, you can choose both, still have a nice resolution and a nice field of view, nice quality. And also they have horizon lock, so you can stabilize the horizon, which this one cannot do in vertical. And my answer to that is that GoPro and Reelsteady gives you a much better result in the end. The video is buttery smooth, it's creamy, it's got a good grain, I don't know how to describe it. And Reelsteady is doing half of the part, the other half is done by GoPro. It's got a better color science probably than this one, and then DJI, better file, I don't know. It's just better and you can notice. And of course you need to use this and edit it in post, color grade and everything again, so it takes steps and it takes time to get a good video, but we are talking today about how to get the best video, and this is the best in my opinion. The stabilization on this and on the DJI Action 2 on paper works better, but really Reelsteady is better. And it's better even than Hypersmooth. I can show you comparisons. I'm gonna shoot outside right now and show you while I talk, but I guess this is the clear winner. And if you wanna shoot quick social content, for sure Insta360 and DJI Action, which is a good middle ground. It's a very, very nice way. It's very quick and it gives you a nice quality, but if you wanna have full control, you are at an amazing location and you wanna make the best video possible, in my opinion, this is the way to go. Even if it takes a lot longer to edit everything, I mean, you have more satisfaction in the end. I don't know. That's my feeling, and that kind of goes against the purpose of Reels and Tik Toks, because they are made to be shot with people, with phones, and they don't know anything about videos. And it's just made to be quick and drop it there, but let's bring some more quality into videos. That's my opinion. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Also remember to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the mount I just made. If you want the mount for the Hero 6, I don't have the Hero 8 to make one. GoPro, why you always make different size GoPros? Stay safe and happy flying. Bye!